Yes, student, here some more reactions of metal, like reaction of metal with acid, dilute acid. Actually, student, except few less reactive metals, that is like gold, silver, copper, platinum, mercury. You know that they are less reactive metal, that is they easily do not react with atmospheric conditions like O2, okay, water, and even also they do not react with acid, okay. But all other metals can easily react with acid and form what? Salt, and releases hydrogen gas. Again we have checked it in acid base chapter. Like zinc react with dilute HCl acid and form ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. This is method of preparation of H2 gas in the laboratory. Then reaction of metal with nitric acid. Now nitric acid, it is also like dilute hydrochloric acid, but being it is very strong oxidizing agent, so it react with metal but do not releases what? Hydrogen gas. Besides of it, it converts hydrogen gas into what? Water. This is because the nitric acid is strong oxidizing agent, okay. But other metal can react with dilute HNO3 acid and form salt, but along with salt they form different type of oxides of nitrogen. Different type of oxides of nitrogen means actually nitrogen and oxygen can form many compounds like N2O, NO, NO2 along with what? Water. The exceptional cases there magnesium and manganese, okay. Being they are more reactive, they can easily react with HNO3 and they also form salt and releases what? Hydrogen gas. Then reaction of metal with solution of other metal salt, okay. Metal can form many type of metallic salt like the salt of metal, carbonates, sulfates, nitrates, okay. Many salts are there. Even if we start writing the number of reaction, the three board will require at least to write the number of reaction. This reaction is simply known as displacement reaction. So you know what is displacement reaction? Here the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from metallic salt solution, and the reactivity depends on, that is the reaction depends on reactivity of different type of metals. Like I picked here some of the example, like when blue color solution of copper sulfate Zn solid is added, okay, the solution slowly converts into white color. This is due to displacement of copper from copper sulfate solution by what? Zinc. So zinc sulfate becomes white color solution. Next one is when to the blue color green color solution of FeSO4. Remember, green color solution of FeSO4, zinc solid is added or powder is added, it slowly converts into white color. It is because now the Fe displaces what? I mean Zn displaces what? Fe. What it shows? It shows that zinc is even more reactive as compared to iron. Next one, aluminum sulfate and magnesium. Now here aluminum is less reactive, magnesium is more reactive, therefore it displaces aluminum from magnesium sulfate solution. Similarly, copper sulfate, the blue color solution, if we add iron, then slowly the blue color will convert into green color. This is due to the Fe being more reactive displaces copper, okay. Therefore blue color converts into green color. Again from ZnSO4 solution, now we have seen here the Zn is even more reactive, but what we are observing here? We are observing here aluminum is even more reactive as compared to zinc, therefore it displaces zinc sulfate, I mean zinc from the zinc sulfate solution and forms aluminum sulfate. Again here we have seen that iron is more reactive, but here you can see here what? Magnesium is even more reactive as compared to iron, therefore when to the ferric oxide solution, okay, magnesium is added, it displaces iron and form magnesium oxide. Actually student, this type of reaction depends on the reactivity series of metal. In notes I will give you the sequences of reactivity series, where you will find that the potassium is the most reactive metal, while the platinum is the least reactive metal, and in the decreasing order the reactivity is getting decreases. This is called reactivity series or metal activity series. Okay, so I will give you this series in the form of notes. Okay, today we are going to only discuss up to this content. Next time we will discuss properties of non-metal.